Hello everyone, my name is Viren Sharma. I am from Dronacharya Group of Institution. My topic is cyber security. Next slide. First of all, I will produce introduction, type of cybercrime, cyber threat evolution, advantage of cyber security, safety tip to cybercrime. Next slide. First of all, introduction. The internet in India is growing rapidly. There are two sides to a coin. Internet also has its own disadvantage in cybercrime, illegal activity committed on the internet. Crime committed using a computer and the internet to steal a person identity or illegal imports or malicious program. Cybercrime is an activity done using computers and the internet. Cybersecurity refers to the technology and processes designed to protect computer, network, and data from unauthorized access, and attack delivered via the internet by cyber criminal. Through cybersecurity is important for the network, data and application security. The objective of cybersecurity is to establish rules and measure to use against attack over the internet. Next slide. Type of cybercrime: hacking, phishing, denial of service, spam email, spyware and adware, malware, ATM skimming and point of scale crimes, or ransomware. Next slide. Hacking. Hacking in simple terms means an illegal intrusion into a computer system and or network. It is also known as cracking. Government websites are the hot target of the hackers due to the press coverage it receives. Second, phishing. Phishing is a fraudulent attempt and usually made through email to steal your personal information. Phishing is the attempt to obtain sensitive information such as username, password, and credit card details, often for malicious reasons through an electronic communication such as email. A common online phishing scam starts with an email messages that appear to come from a trusted source but actually direct recipients to provide information to a fraudulent website. Next slide. Denial of service. This is an act by the criminal who floods the bandwidth of the victim's network. In the DOS attack, a hacker uses a single internet connection to either exploit a software vulnerability or flood a target with a fake request, usually in an attempt to exhaust server resources. On the other hand, DOS attacks are launched from multiple connected devices that are distributed across the internet. DOS, when a single host attack, DDoS, when multiple hosts attack simultaneously and continuously. Spam email. Spam email is the electronic version of junk mail. It involves sending unwanted messages, often unsolicited advertising to large number of recipients. Spam is a serious security concern as it can be used to deliver Trojan horses, viruses, worms, spamware, and target attack. Malware. It's malware such as viruses, worm, and Trojan, which is specially designed to disrupt or damage computer system or mobile device. Hackers are malware for any number of reasons such as extracting personal information or password, stealing money, or preventing owner from accessing their device. Viruses are programs that attack themselves to a computer or file and to other computer on a network. They usually affect the data on computer and mobile device either by altering or deleting it. Next slide. Worm. Unlike viruses do not need to the host to attack themselves, they merely make functional copies of themselves and do this repeatedly till they eat up all the available space on computer memory. Trojan is a type of malware that pretend to be something useful, helpful or fun while actually causing harm or stealing data. Trojans are often silently downloading other malware, example spyware, adware and ransomware on affected device as well. Trojan can affect you in places where you might not accept it, such as emails, download and more. It always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to avoiding this type of malware. Spyware is a type of malware that hacker use to spy on you in order to gain access to your personal information, banking details or online activity. We should protect ourselves by an anti-spyware tool. Adware. Adware is a type of malware that bombards you with endless ads and pop-up window could potentially be dangerous for your device. The best way to remove is to use adware removal tools. Next slide. Ransomware. Ransomware is scary as it sounds. Hackers use the technique to log out of your device and demand a ransom in turn for access. Ransomware put you in a sticky situation, so it's best to know how to avoid it. Ransomware, aka regularware and scareware, restrict access to your computer system and demand that a ransom is paid in order for the restriction to be removed. The most dangerous ransomware attacks are caused by WannaCry, Petya, Kerber, and Loki ransomware. The money is supposed to be paid to remove ransomware from your system, which is called ransomware. Current affair. Example: WannaCrypt or Petya variant. Next slide. Cybersecurity. It will defend us from hack and virus. It help to browse the safe website. Internet security process all the incoming and outgoing data on our computer. The cyber security will defend us from critical attack. The application of cyber security used in our PC need update every week. The security develop will update their database from every week once, hence the new virus also detect. Next slide. Safety to cybercrime. Use antivirus software, insert firewalls, uninstall unnecessary software, maintain backup, check up security setting, never give your full name or address to strangers. Learn more about the internet privacy. Thank you.